Winton Machine builds factory automation, and we started our company about 27 years ago. We started in the basement of our house, and college didn't really prepare me to be a business owner. I wasn't equipped to be an entrepreneur. So from the beginning, we've used the University of Georgia Small Business Development Center for multiple things. My name is Lisa Winton, and I am CEO and co-owner of Winton Machine Company.
We're located here in Suwanee, Georgia, and we build equipment that fabricate tubular parts such as lawnmower handles, copper line in a refrigeration unit, a fuel line for an aircraft. So we build machines that bend tubing, that cut tubing, pierce tubing, punch tubing, and primarily we deal with medium to large manufacturers, and we sell those machines all throughout the world.
Probably about 5 years into starting our business, we were approached by a company in South Korea that wanted us to build this machine. And we were a small business. We were probably 5 employees at the time, and we're thinking, how in the world are we gonna build a machine and ship it to Korea? So the first thing I thought of was reaching out to SBDC. They advised us and helped us through the process, and now we ship to over 17 countries worldwide. The SBDC has been really incredible throughout the whole trajectory of our business.
It's been very much a part of what we do here at Winton, and specifically working with Dara Halsey, who's been there with us since the beginning, to help us step by step and navigate various marketing and financial aspects of the business. I'm very thankful for the Small Business Development Center at UGA. It's made a big difference. It's been a big impact on the fact that we're still here to this very day.
When I look at Winton Machine and I look at the manufacturing industry, I am excited. I look at a time period during our business when we first got started, and manufacturing was not popular. I had to work with the University of Georgia Small Business Development Center to help me find a bank willing to invest in Winton Machine. Now, it's a totally different story, and we are excited to be in an automation niche. We're in a niche of growth, and where manufacturing is going. Building automation that helps other manufacturers build their products and help solve workforce issues is a really exciting place to be. I think the most rewarding thing about being a small business owner is that your team is your family. And I'm just so proud to have started a business with George, my husband, in the basement of our house, still be in that house, and now be in a factory and be a part of the manufacturing voice for America.